Your tweets was, it doesn't matter if you vote for Biden, Trump, or third party. Whoever is placed in the presidency will implement whatever the powerful tells them to do. Digital IDs, CBDC, 15-minute cities, drone warfare, forced vaccinations, more surveillance. If you don't believe me, just wait. I think they are just put there to keep us in division, numb us with entertainment and politics, and to keep us fighting over issues that we've been fighting over for 50, 60, 70 years. So are we under the illusion this is a democracy?
Yeah, 100%. Whenever somebody says, we have to fight for our democracy, my answer is, what democracy are you speaking of? Who do you feel represented by? When you talk about someone like Donald Trump, the reason that he became so popular is entertaining. That's the scariest part about it. I think that things had ultimately changed during that 4-year span of time it's just illogical. It's just not real.